Hi guys, welcome back to Scrumptious Saturdays with the Anonymous Human. I hope you guys have watched my previous video with Rathi for the recipe of salted caramel cappuccino cheesecake. If you guys haven't watched it, please do check out my channel. So on today's episode of Scrumptious Saturdays, we have a very easy to cook mushroom biryani recipe. And this recipe is very special to me because it's my mom's recipe. So years back when I was a kid, we all wanted to have biryani at home, but we did not have Swiggy or Zomato to just order and get it delivered at that time. My mom, being a vegetarian, she did not want to make two biryanis, like veg and a non-veg, for all of us. And all of us at home were non-vegetarians except her. So she came up with a recipe of mushroom biryani, which is easy to cook and also made all of us happy. So let's jump straight into the recipe without wasting much time, and also please do subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button mentioned below. If you liked the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. I'll see you guys in my next video.